Have you ever had someone send you a simple message and suddenly you couldn't stop thinking about them all day? Words have a way of leaving an impression, especially when they hit the right emotional chords, and today, it's your turn to make that kind of impact. In this video, I'm going to share 6 powerful goodnight messages that no woman will be able to ignore. These messages aren't just words, they create curiosity, intrigue, and a deep connection. The last message is the most unexpected and effective, so stay with me until the end. If you're ready to stand out and make her think about you even in her dreams, let's get started. Message 1. I hope your dreams are as exciting as the conversations we still have yet to have. Who knows, maybe I'll make a guest appearance in one of them tonight. This message is a masterpiece of subtle flirtation and intrigue. You're not just wishing her good night, you're suggesting there's more to explore between you two. By hinting at future conversations, you're planting the idea that your connection is far from over. More importantly, you introduce a playful thought. What if you show up in her dreams? This creates a sense of curiosity and mystery. Even if she wasn't thinking about you before, now she is. The beauty of this message is its balance. It's light-hearted, yet leaves room for deeper thoughts. It invites her to consider possibilities she hadn't before, making you a memorable part of her night. Message 2. Sleep well, but be warned. If you find yourself thinking about me tomorrow, it means something is happening between us. This message is playful, teasing, and just a little mysterious. By suggesting that remembering you the next day is a sign of something special, you subtly implant the idea that your presence in her thoughts isn't just random, it means something. What makes this effective is the way it gently nudges her into thinking about your connection without pressuring her. It's like planting a seed and letting it grow naturally. If she does wake up and find herself remembering your message, she'll likely smile and wonder, was he right? That curiosity keeps the conversation going and strengthens your bond. Message 3. Good night. I don't know why, but I have a strong feeling you'll dream about me tonight. Let me know tomorrow if I'm right. This one is a mix of confidence and playful challenge. You're not just saying good night. You're making a statement that stays in her mind. Even if she wasn't planning on dreaming about you, your message plants the idea, making it more likely to happen. And the best part? You've given her a reason to reach out to you the next day. Whether she dreams about you or not, she'll remember your message when she wakes up. If she does dream about you, she'll be intrigued. If she doesn't, she may still laugh and reply, "Guess your prediction was off." Either way, the conversation continues. Message 4. I hope you sleep well and have the most beautiful dreams. But if I happen to show up in one of them, let me know tomorrow. I'd love to hear about it. This message blends warmth, humor, and flirtation. By wishing her well and setting a positive tone, you create a comforting vibe. But what makes it special is the invitation for her to imagine you in her dreams. It's light-hearted, yet effective, because it gently puts you in her thoughts before she sleeps. If she finds herself thinking about you, even for a moment, you've already made an impact. Plus, by asking her to let you know, you're giving her an easy and natural reason to talk to you the next day. Message 5. Sleep well. But if you wake up tomorrow with an unexplained smile, you'll know exactly who's responsible. This message is playful and confident. It subtly suggests that her happiness might be linked to you, making her associate positive emotions with your presence. The beauty of this line is that it sticks in her mind. Even if she doesn't consciously think about it, the moment she smiles the next morning, she might wonder, was it because of him? This creates a fun, lingering effect, making you someone she enjoys talking to. Message 6. Good night. But if you find yourself wide awake, Lost in interesting thoughts? Feel free to text me. I might just be awake too. This is the most powerful message because it opens a door for deeper, late-night conversations. It's casual yet inviting, making her feel comfortable reaching out. What makes it effective is the way it shifts the dynamic. Instead of just ending the conversation for the night, you're offering a chance to keep it going if she feels like it. It subtly suggests that you're someone she can talk to, even in the quiet, reflective moments before sleep. If she does reach out, that means she already sees you as a special presence in her life. Each of these messages works because they do more than just say goodnight. They plant thoughts, create curiosity, and build emotional connections. They make her smile, wonder, and anticipate the next interaction. So now, it's your turn. Try one of these messages and see how she reacts. Remember, it's not about forcing anything. It's about making a genuine connection in a way that feels natural and fun. If you enjoyed this, make sure to subscribe to the Stoic Route for more insights on attraction, confidence, and self-improvement. Hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, good luck and happy texting.